right, well, I nearly made a bit of a mistake there, because turns out where it says option here, I thought that meant you might not have to put this plastic part in, this B80 8182, but you could just put the PE parts in. But it looks like you need to put definitely have the plastic, and the option is, do you use the PE part or not? So I've got this all prepared here, so let's do one for you, and then you can see how it goes from there. And this is pretty straightforward, I think. Just try and pop that in there. Just use a bit of glue on the bottom section. Or one side. Let me do this side now as well. Pop some more glue in there. Nice good line there. And then the photo etched piece, there it is. I think that's bent the right way. Let's see, test it out. Whoops, that kind of goes with the straight edge on there, if I can get this right. I'll try just getting it in place with this. Lots of holes there, so hopefully it'll melt the plastic. And there we go, and you just do that with the other side as well, and you've got it done. Number 7 rather, where we've got to put the 8 wheels together, and we can see we've got a wheel hub here, and we've got a locking mechanism that goes over it in the back part of the wheel. Small challenge here is we've got to make holes in A47. So I've done 1 or 2 already, but here's A47. If you turn it over, you can see the place clearly marked where you have to make the holes. Number of ways to do this. First way is the proper way. Use a small drill bit, which I don't have. So I thought I'd get a little bit creative, and I tried with this screw. A normal screw, it's like a drywalling screw, very sharp point, and you kind of push it in there and give it a few twists. You can see it makes a white hole, it pushes through there. I then come from this side and just do it. There we go. Blow the excess off. You can also use, if you've got a knife like this, just use the X-Acto knife or surgical blade, pop it in there. Give it a couple of twists. And you can see it's come through the other side. We just want to clean it up on this side. Get rid of the excess that's been pushed through. The hole doesn't need to be too big, because as you can see from these parts, it's quite a tiny little hole. So let's pop some glue in there. And then we get the part, line up the little holes. Oh, there we go, straight in. And then what we want to do, put some more glue on it, just to really seal it in there. I'll use some more as well. Push down on it so it sits very nicely. Put a bit of pressure on there. We want to get the back part of it. And then put some glue on this part here. There you go, pops together quite nicely. Put some pressure on there for a few seconds. And just do that 8 times. And then you'll have to fit the tire, and I don't want to put it on now because I want to spray these and I don't want to have to mask off the tire. But you just pop it on a little bit later. I guess it's just like putting on a bicycle tire. Easy. Oh, push it all the way through. And there we go. Good quality tires here. We got Michelin tires, so that's it. There's step number 7, done and dusted.